sippy cup experiment. And so far we have a puddle of a mess. And Alex is trying. Look at him. Look at him. There he goes. Yeah. Wow. Here. Here. Yeah, hold it. Whoop. Oops. Mama. Mom. So get it. Yeah, okay. Babe, he almost did it. On his own. Mom, okay. Are you done? Yeah, that's it. I went out of the high chair. Yell. Yeah. Okay. Alright, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.